Hey y'all, what's going on, man? It's morning time, top of the morning. We post snowstorm right now. The sky is clear. It's beautiful out here. See how pretty it is? But we out here. I got my boys out here shoveling the driveway. Not that far. We coming down here only. Only here, down here, Kobe. That's gonna melt. We ain't worried about that. We gotta get this out the way down here, so we can be able to get out the driveway properly and get up in the driveway right. You got it? You with it? You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job.
Thank you.
Let's get the rest of it down. I got a rug down there and everything that we gotta pull up too. So, I'm finna get it in. I gotta help him. So until I get a stand, I'm gonna be right back with y'all. We finna get this snow out the way. Look at that. Go over there, that part. Get the rest of that up. Come on, let's go. You guys keep going. Throw it off if you need to. Hey y'all, what up with it? The snowstorm is over with. It's over with. We did a good job. See that sun coming up, finna melt the rest of this. I set the seat on. Let me show y'all. I had to have my, of course, make it secure. Y'all see that's my through the cardboard up there to make sure I cover it up. Make sure that I covered up the window so I can be able to pull out, because you see this snow. Lines is cool. Don't never have the lines off. Never had the lines off. Look at that snow all in there. We finna get going though. That's what we finna do. Quick little. Look at that. Look at that. See how it's right here. So y'all see, I gotta get these cardboards off. The reason I put them up there, hopefully some of y'all got sense enough to know. The reason I got them on here is because the reason that I'll put them on there, for those of y'all that don't know, is snow. Because the truck wasn't gonna move. So now we in the game. We just get in traffic. Of course, all this gotta freeze, come off. You know, pick this up. Pick this up. Get this off the way. Do my quick little pretty sure walk around, see the snow. Kinda, it ain't get up under there. Whoa. It's all wet, icy right here. All this wet and icy. Tires and everything straight. Everything's still solid. I mean, I'm empty, of course. Now when I pull out, that sun gonna beam and melt this snow. So and it's crazy because somebody pulled up super close to me. You can tell. That's the only thing about leaving your truck out. You know, people possibly might try to go in it no matter where you at. The snow finna melt crazy. There you go. I'm glad y'all here. If you new to my channel, man, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Hard to get these up, but yeah. But yeah, man, if you're new to my channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. I ain't doing too much of nothing, man. Just trying to make some money, take care of my family, and document it in doing so. You know, not too much, not nothing too crazy. But yeah, we get this out the way. I don't want to have it looking all crazy right here. Yeah, man, I gotta put my other jacket on, cause it's cold, boy. Yeah, it's cold. Hope y'all enjoying y'all day, but I'm gonna get back to y'all. Money Hungry G's, Money Hungry the brand. We about to jump on this truck and get going. I'ma holler at y'all a little later. Just thought I'd tell y'all, that's how the morning, look at that. Let y'all see that, man. That's how the morning start. But look, I really want to let y'all know this too. Whatever you got in your head as a dream, as a goal, you can do it, man, for real. All you gotta do is put your mind to it and really just do it, because that's a blessing right there. Y'all looking at something, and I want y'all to see this. My followers that mess with me, subscribe to the channel if you new, but I want y'all to pay attention to something. Everybody levels their life up when they want to. Money Hungry. As y'all see, I'm back on the road again. Look at the snow, it's pretty. It looks really nice. I'll say that. Real nice. Pushing on this highway. Per usual, on the road, doing what we do. I gotta get a couple of more GoPro sessions, because y'all know I'm tapped in, though. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, dropping the comments. Where my truckers at? Drop in the comments if you're a truck, give me a truck emoji. Pass this dude up right here. Freight Incorporated, Paragon Freight Incorporated. Yeah, we need that sun to keep the highway dry. It's crazy. Two state troopers pulled over this truck. They cold. He was in the ditch though. Yeah, he was in the ditch. 600 an hour to get it out the ditch. It's bad. What up with y'all? We finna fuel up right now, man. We got 2 more hours on this ride, so our destination. But I'm about to fuel up right now. Y'all done seen people fuel up before. It's cold right now. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's 31 degrees, and the sun is out, shining, beaming. It's looking nice. But I'm about to hurry up and fuel this truck up so we can get back up the highway. Just giving y'all a quick little update. Y'all know how it go. Y'all keep rocking with your boy. I'll got y'all in a second. Let me put this pump on real quick. Hold on real quick. We almost there, y'all. We just pushing through, doing what we do. Trucking. Money Hungry the brand. Rock with your boy. In traffic, doing what we do. Big shout out to the truckers, man. Keeping America moving and doing what it's supposed to do. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Getting where we gotta get to, man. Hey, man. I really want to thank y'all for making it this far in the video. Man, I'm a little tired. I'm getting back into the groove of things. I just want to let y'all know, man, driving, truck driving it get real. It get real. It get real, man. It did get real. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get back at y'all tomorrow. It's been a long day. Man, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe if you made it this far. Rock with your boy, Money Hungry G's, Money Hungry the brand. Brah, brah. Top of the morning. It's a new day, man. I'm about to get myself together so I can start my day. Yeah. I appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. Yeah. I need you to lock in 2025. I don't care who you are or where you at. Lock in. Lock in. Trust me. Yeah, so let's start this day. Make sure I got my water. Gotta have that water. In arm's reach. Gotta have that water in arm's reach. Oh, look like I'm running out. Gotta stop by Walmart. Got 3 bottles left. Just about. It's not even a day with me. It's a cold morning. It's like 26 degrees. I be wondering where all the animals be sleeping at. Bed up. Make the bed up, of course. Hey, did y'all get y'all merch yet? I'm gonna drop the link in the description on this video. Hold on, y'all. Laptop stay on hand. Laptop gotta stay in reach. Gotta have your bag of your hygiene stuff. This is right here to go. Gotta brush them teeth. Gotta brush them teeth, y'all. You gotta brush them teeth. Be surprised, man. You will be surprised. It's too cold. Woo! Hey. Yeah. Hey, quick little, a little something. Do a little something. Man, it's cold out there. It is cold out there. Heater set for 10 hours. The heater run for 10 hours. If you actually, what I'm finna eat this morning? I gotta eat. I gotta go shopping. So I gotta get some healthy stuff, man. I gotta get some healthy stuff. Water. Quick little, let me cut this light off right there. Let's see. Bring y'all in a little closer. Hold on. and y'all in a little closer. Like I've been telling everybody this year, lock in, man. You know, if you at the age that I'm at, you want so much. You want so much, and you finding out more and more what you want. You want more stuff like every day. So, and to be honest with you, even myself, like when I say lock in, like I gotta lock in, like I gotta get more discipline for certain things, because I mean, I slack off, like I'm human, you feel me? And I'm just telling y'all because y'all might be at a point in time to where y'all not locked in, but I mean, we gonna get back on track as one, you feel me? We gonna get the money, we gotta get the money, that's a gift. But lock in on your dreams, your goals, your aspirations in life. That's what you wanna do that. And just don't quit. And I'm definitely not quitting. Quitting is for losers. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't no loser. But yeah, man, I'm just getting at y'all this morning. Starting my day off with y'all. Of course, like I said, we trying to go up, man. But I appreciate y'all for viewing my stuff and rocking with your boy. But anyway, I'm gonna get at y'all. Finna get up this highway, start the day a little bit. Hold on real quick. I got y'all. Y'all coming with me. Don't trip, don't trip. Skies look clear this morning. Traffic moving. It's 31 degrees. It's kind of cold with everybody moving. Y'all let me know. OTR or local? What y'all think? Just curious. What y'all think? Ooh, gotta get over, bro. I'm trying to stay in my lane, but you pushed me out of it. DOT. Look at, bro. Look at it. But yeah, I don't know, man. Your boy is contemplating what I'm finna do, what move I'm finna make. I did local before. It was cool, but it didn't make no sense based off of the driving that I was doing. It's like they was killing my clock, because the loads that they had me available to do wasn't it was running my clock out all day, then I had to race to get home. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. Local or OTR, regional, whatever y'all see. I want y'all to tell me what's wrong with this picture right here. Dude in front of me, they got all these ladders stacked up on the top, right? Clearly you can tell it's heavy. They like swerving, and it look like if they swerve too much, that thing for sure gonna tip over. Look at them. They need to sell that van and buy a truck, because it don't look healthy for the road. Safe, rather. So I like being on the interstate. These back roads, they cool, but like the speed limit, 65. Sometimes you run across these cops in this town, and you riding through their town, they looking for you to do something. So I always try to make sure that I follow the speed limit to a T. I don't want to go 5 miles over. This ain't the highway. But I'm glad I'm coming through here in the daytime, because This don't look like the type of town that's okay to come through at night. I mean, I done seen a whole bunch of Confederate flags, so that's not safe to me. I'm still in Tennessee, so I'm just riding through. 47 more minutes till I get to my pickup. Hey, notice this. These little towns, these be the people that be voting for all the nonsense that's not equal in the world. These little towns, just like this. Got about 400 people probably that live here, if that. They be building and working on their own little tribe and colony. That's what I'm trying to do. Is this the airport? Yeah, it's an airport right here. I love airport. This is the country. So when people be like, you live in the country, no, I don't live in the country. I live in the city of the country, the city part of the country. That's the crazy part. Me being from LA, Watts, all this is new to me, and it's I don't know why that's going off, because I'm not going over out of the line. But yeah, it's tricky though. It definitely is. Speed limit is 15 miles per hour when flashing, because you're about to school. Christ Life Academy is the name of that school. I'm sure the whole town go there. They cool. I ain't seen a Confederate flag. So far where I'm at now, that last town that I went through, they was off the hook over here. 12 minutes so I get there. So I made it to my destination. It's kind of confusing because you got two guard checks. They tell you trucks right lane, and then dude stop me and tell me to come through here. So I'm turning through the area that he said turn through right now. And I gotta go through this little ramp, this little area right here. I guess these is I think those are engine parts. Yeah, I think those are engine parts, if I ain't mistaken. It's supposed to be some plastic. see how long they take. Throw them hazards on. No matter what you're doing, when you are not parking, throw your hazards on. It is something that I advise everybody to do. He said a little ramp. I don't see no door. Walking around doing all this craziness. That's what they finna have me doing. Cause literally, I told bro to tell me. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I might need to make a call. Around my wallet. It's crazy. Cut my truck off. I don't know where I'm at. I can't trust nothing right now. You want to make sure you, he said the ramp. I see a door, but I'm finna see what they're talking about because I don't want them to. 7 hours. Dang, boy. 3 hours to get here. He said it's a ramp right here. Hopefully. He said it's a ramp right here. So. Excuse me, boss, where you check in at? Excuse me, where'd you check in at? That door?
SEC trucks at?
Uh-huh.
There's a door over there by the dock.
Was that GPI too?
Yeah.
Okay, but okay, thank you. Hopefully, I'll check in over here because he do say the ramp. It's a ramp over there, but that door don't even look locked. He said there was 3 companies, but this is one of the things that you gotta do. You gotta go around, spinning around, turning the block, up here, up there. It told me to make a right. Hopefully we can get this out the way. It's cold, bro. I gotta. It's kind of cold, kind of chilly. Hold on. Now I have to see what's. Got the little Silverado Z71 on the clean. Got this little Chevy in there, Alabama. He from Alabama. He in Tennessee. Little Titan truck right here. Oh, they got me a whole nigga. They said do not enter. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, this is the place. They had me turning in over there, turning up around. Gotta check in way over here, man. This is crazy. Hours of operation, 7 to 4. No parking allowed on property. Disconnect. Airline after backing into the dock. And before being unloaded, unload this will be checked. Okay. See how this goes. Yeah, it's cold in here too. Paper rolls. Do not want to pick up paper rolls. Okay. See how this work out. How you doing? Pickup GPI. This place?
Where are you going to?
Fort Smith, Arkansas.
Okay. Which?
We in Savannah, Tennessee. Chrysler 300 looking cool. Mickey D's. No McDonald's, no McDonald's, no McDonald's. We don't eat McDonald's right now. These little towns, they be having it going on, boys. Savannah Donut. Everything is named Savannah. Savannah, Savannah, Savannah. My cousin named Savannah. She need to move here. She wouldn't make it though. She wouldn't like it at all. Savannah Motel. They have Savannah gas station back there. That goes Savannah Motel. Oversized low. I don't know where he going. What are y'all doing? Oh, I know where I'm at. I know where I'm at. Been here before. Savannah One Stop. On the post office right there. Ah, you got nowhere to park. Dang. Going over the Tennessee River. I usually go over the Tennessee River on the other side. This side kind of high. I guess they redid it. I got an idea of where I'm at because of the river I just went over. Some of these houses over here on the left, they on stilts, I guess, just in case the river come up that high, but that was kind of high. I don't know. You know, a lot of people live prepper type ways. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to show y'all this. Man, we done made it close to the house. I think I'm gonna go sleep at the house today, but this is crazy. We done got this close, man. Dang. That snow, people not knowing that snow on the edge of the highway, it still will turn into black ice. Once it melts and the temperature get low, man, it's crazy. It can happen. It can happen. Look at that, man. Dang. Excuse the light. Dang. But you know, we trucking, y'all. We still pushing, man. I hope they safe. Hope everybody cool. We done made it back to Little Rock before the sun went down. Money Hungry Jay.